Alright, fam, we in Target. I had to come and get some food to cook. I think I'm gonna cook spaghetti tonight. So we're gonna pick up a few items from Target, as they say. I need some green peppers. What's the green peppers here? 85 cents. I'm gonna get some of those. Okay, I need to get some onions. Let me see how much they onions is. $3.89 for a bag of onions. Okay, these $2.59. Why are these onions so big? Y'all see the size of these damn onions? Look how big that onion is. Okay, I guess I'll get this one. I need to get some ground beef. They got their bananas on sale, 59 cents a pound. Let's see how much that ground beef is. That what's that price say? $6.99. Yeah. A little bit that ground beef. Might as well get this one. Shaved steak meat. What is this? Comment down below if y'all ever use this. Might have to try that one day. What is this? Teriyaki beef sirloin strip. That don't look too appetizing. Okay. Let's move on. Had to get me some bouillon. Go back here. These are the best cubes. Instead of the broth, these are the best cubes. They got them for $1.59. Them things used to be 99 cents. Okay. Let's move on. Trying to find some darn spaghetti. They done moved everything around. I done walked around this whole stove looking for spaghetti. I want the little box kind. Don't look like Target sell it. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the little small box. I guess I'm gonna have to get this one. What's the expiration date on here? 2025. That's $1.99. Dang, they done took this stuff up high. Ooh, I'm gonna put this back, y'all. Target got this. Look at that. For 99 cents. The pot size. That's what I want. They got the thin, and then they got the regular. I think I'm gonna get this one. What's the expiration date on it? April 2025. I'm gonna get this one. Cheaper price, save money. 99¢. Okay, that's spaghetti. Dang, they done took that up to $2.39. Usually we use the Ragu. It's right here. But that's $2.39. Okay, we're going to Target brand. Let's see what Target brand is. There's $1.59. So, get this one. Yeah. The expiration date on here. August 2025. Let me get another one. See anything else? That's one thing about Target. They might be a little pricey, but they aisles gonna be clean. Alright, I think that's it. I gotta get some dog food. So I'll be back. Alright, I gotta get Jack some food. And it went up on darn dog food. Oh, everything going up except for your pay, ain't that right? That's fine, he don't eat that. I might as well come down here and get this pedigree. Let's see. Okay, I'll get him there. How much that is? $7.99. Alright, that's all I got. Dog food, onions, ground beef, bouillon cubes, spaghetti sauce, green pepper, and spaghetti. So let's get out of here. Oh, damn, Target got their school supplies up. They got a whole wide section back here in the back of the store. These little photos, 99¢. That's a good price. Let's see what else they got. Kiddos, it's time for them to go back to school already. But they got a whole section back here. The little index cards. They got it for $1.49, and those down there is 75¢. They need the little crayon stencil box. They got them for 99¢. They got 25 buy one get one, 25% off on their pens. Buy one get one, 25% off. So y'all got a good sale on these school supplies at Target. All the binders. $3.29. Those down there. $4.99. Got school supplies. Sign. $5 and under. This is clearance. 70% off. $2 now on the purchase of any flight. A size 7 pack or larger. Okay. Wait a minute. That coupon expired. Expired in June. Paper mate clearance, 70% off. How much that is? $2.30. Okay. Alright. See what we got over here. The little glue sticks down there is 50 cents. Crayons. Markers. We got it for $1. I got all these book bags. So, y'all might need to come to Target to do the school shopping because they got a lot of supplies. Alright, I'm at checkout. Let's see what my total gonna be. Total is $32.10. Alright, fam. I'm up out of Target. They got their water on sale too for $4.69. 24 pack. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you shop school shopping for your kids, make sure you come to Target. They got a lot of deals going on. So until the next video, fam, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later.